Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 8 power x equal 80 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I can write 8 as a power of 2 as 2 cube whole power x equal 80. Now according to exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So it becomes 2 power 3x is equals to 2 power 3 power x. So left hand side becomes 2 power 3x equal 80. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log 2 power 3x is equals to log 80. And it becomes 3x log 2 is equals to log 80. 3x is equals to log 80 by log 2. And x is equals to log 80 by 3 times log 2. Now substitute the value. Log 80 is approximately 4.382 and log 2 is approximately 0.693. So x is approximately 4.382 by 3 times 0.693. So x is approximately 4.382 by 2.079. So it is approximately 2.11. So the final value of x is 2.11. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.